The Friends of Haiti is deeply appreciative for the support and monetary donations received from the government as well as corporate Antigua. Prime Minister Dr. The Honorable Baldwin Spencer applauds the group for outstanding humanitarian work to the disaster-struck Haiti.
We fully appreciate, Pastor Lafleur, what you and your group have been able to do over the years. You've been very focused and very understanding and appreciative, and you've worked real hard to create the awareness and the understanding of what is really happening in Haiti and what we need to do to support people. And your focus has always been on people. How do you deal with the kids? How do you deal with the issues surrounding humanity itself? And what difference can you make in the lives of these struggling people?
Pastor Lafleur says the compassion and generosity of the Antiguan public, government and businesses in response to Haiti has been immediate and overwhelming. Lafleur expresses a heartfelt thank you and appreciation.
We were able also to get some support from your government, particularly the cabinet approved some money for us. They supported that big effort in a special way. And the nation as a whole came on board because of your effort. And we think it's appropriate while our coordinators are here from Haiti to make a presentation to you. And on two things we will be doing, but we hope to present a press conference where we can give an official report about the money, 50,000 US that we receive, and to explain to the government what we have done with the money. And that will be done with the Ministry of Transformation next week, since our minister is away for now. And also, while I'm here today, we want to also present the plaque to you. It's a thank you plaque, to say thank you to you and your government and the people of Antigua for what they have done for the people of Haiti.
Uttering words of gratitude, Pastor Clifford Haynes says he's thankful for the steadfast support of generous donors and urges the Prime Minister to continue to support Haiti's cause.
I really want to give gratitude to the government of Antigua and the Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, because it's a blessing to see just one child smile. And even as we salute him on that, I want to challenge him, even at this moment, to continue to give support to the people of Haiti, the Friends of Haiti, and even in these trying times. I believe that many times people close up their bowels of compassion because we want to preserve ourselves. But it's in this hour when we give out of our need that the blessings of God really showers upon us.
A press conference will be held in the near future to detail how contributions and other financial aid were utilized in the Haiti relief effort. Azara Lavier for ABS News.